You guys are our expert here. Let's do some trading today. Most of my stuff that I'm doing is on the channel. I have explained most of it. So if you have any questions or you want to know more about it, especially if you're new, join the Discord. You know, we share everything for free. And yeah, let's do some trades to show, put everything into practice. You know? If you've seen my videos, if it kind of does this, you know, I just want to grab what I can grab, because often when it consolidates, it sometimes doesn't want to give that pullback and it goes up. Yeah, so just keep in mind these are the simple things, you know, that you have to look at. You know, don't turn trading into some kind of science project. Okay, my stop loss was not one-on-one, my own fault. Let's look for the next one. I'm going to re-enter, man. I'm confident. It's going to go down here a bit, you know, these areas. Let's just grab something, you know, to get our previous loss back. But again, it was my own fault because I aimed for something, but my stop loss was less. So always just aim one-on-one. I want to emphasize that I'm doing this on the 15-second charts, but it's better to do this on the 1 minute, because the risk is less and the rewards are also better, because here, I mean, I'm just showing this on this time frame because otherwise you have to like wait very long for the videos, or sorry, it's going to be very long videos, you know. So that's why I'm doing these on these time frames. Again, it's doing this, it's consolidating. So basically you want the price to do this. Again, I'm just gonna grab this because it's doing this. Also been very lucky here. Could have also been a loss, but you know, that's part of trading. And then you're not gonna cry about it, you're just gonna look for the next one. Yeah, so let's look for the next one. So keep in mind to consider risk management. You know, you want to like calculate the ticks first before you enter. But that's not what I'm doing in here. I'm just showing you where possible entries might be. And again, I'm not gonna like record one lucky win and then upload it. I want to show you there is logic in trading, and what we are doing. That's why I'm saying join the Discord, because this is where you learn everything. And I always work through a certain process, and it is free. Yeah, but you have to be sincere, and you have to really listen to what we are saying and how we're coaching you, and it's all for free. You don't have to pay. And there's no catch, nothing. I'm doing this because I really wanna like save. Wait a minute, can I go long here? Yeah, because I want to save some of you souls from these. Yeah, they're very bad people, man. These so-called gurus. So don't listen to them. Let's see if we can get some here. Not too much. No, I'm just going to collapse it. It takes too long. Let's look for the next one. Okay, let's try again. So again, I'm also looking at these charts. So I'm trying to figure out where might it resist or not, you know. So it's not only looking at the 15-second chart, but I like to enlarge this so that I have a better field of view, you know, because this also gives me information, you know. So even on the lower time frames, when you see these bodies, you know, clustered together. So here is one, and then you have this here, and then this here, you know. So then you might think, okay, if there is going to be a retracement up, I'm going to go short. And sometimes it does not do that. And don't just go short here because the price is now suddenly going short. So like in this instance, you know. So I was looking for a short, but don't just FOMO and enter. So the whole point of this, of risk management, is yeah, so always risk the same amount. And I'm not used to trading view. I would use Quant Tower because there's a good feature in that program. So basically, I would then calculate my loss always being 50. Yeah, so you change the ticks, sorry, the contracts based on the ticks, you know. So let's try to look for a long now, and because of this move going up, maybe add. So it's now 9 o'clock. And let's see, again, like I said, in these areas, if we might be able to look for a short, you know. And again, I'm not saying it's going to come here or here, but we just want to do these entries in the areas that we understand, you know. So for example here, at least I'm not expecting the price to just go through here, you know. I'm not saying it's gonna take 10 minutes, 5 minutes or anything, but I mean, these areas, they're very sensitive, you know, to the price. This always happens, you know, on trading, it doesn't close, you know. So it's really important you guys join the Discord, because we have some people that don't do this. They don't go short. For example, they just go long. And because they say, okay, I'm only gonna look for longs because the price is trending. So everyone has their own method, right? So let's see, maybe a long now. So yesterday I uploaded a video and I was not talking about the video. You can see the difference immediately. Yeah? So my entries are very sloppy. But again, I'm going to show what is possible here. And let me go short here. Yeah, just going to grab this. And that's the thing about this. If you're doing this, I mean, I don't know if it is called like this, but this is what I call microscoping because it's on the 15-second charts. And sometimes you're gonna have 5 losses and maybe 10 wins, and sometimes you're gonna have 20 wins and maybe 3 losses. Sometimes you're gonna have 10 losses. You know, so you have to do this consistently. If you're not gonna do that, it's just not gonna work. You know, so you have to be very careful. So let's see if we can do a long here. Again, I just simple concept, you know, looking at this, you know, like this sensitive area here. Yeah. And you might say, hey, that's retail. Yeah. But it's definitely not ICT, guys. So for everyone always getting offended by what we teach. And you guys still haven't shown any proof that ICT works. Yeah, so also here, so I was looking at this candle, although I'm seeing it going up, but it created this wick. And then, yeah, I'm just hesitating to enter. And when I hesitate, I'm not going to enter. I've also been noticing the past few days, the price has been doing this a lot, instead of just creating these candles and then, you know, entering. Let me see if we can get something here. It's not going to be a lot, I think. You see, we're not aiming for a lot, eh? And this is the thing with trading, you know. I mean, I wasn't behind my charts, but when I messaged some things in Discord, you know, when I saw this move, this happening here, and things on higher time frames. So this is what I would explain in the Discord to you. So why would I go long here? Yeah. So join the Discord, and another long here. So I both messaged these in the Discord. But I'm not going to say the price is going to come here. We just try to look for high probability, and then we enter, and we just grab something. And no, you're not going to learn this in a month. The truth is, you have to like do this very long. You have to journal. Maybe you have to work on a lot of psychology stuff, emotional stuff. This, by the way, is news. This thing, these wicks that you see here. Also, when we talk about expectations, like don't expect big returns, you know, when you're day trading. Yeah, so obviously I'm writing this because of legal issues, but don't expect big returns when day trading. Yeah, so think about the learning process first before you think about, oh, I'm gonna be a millionaire in a few days and I'm gonna make lots of money. So just be very careful about what these people are like trying to convince you of. Yeah, no problem. Sometimes you have a loss. So I'm not immediately scared, when I take a loss, and then I'm gonna just think, oh, now it's gonna go the other way or something. No, so in this instance, I take a loss, but I still think I can do a long here, and I just re-enter. And my hard rule is always, when you lose 2 in a row, just stop. Okay? But when you're paper trading, just keep practicing this model, But if you think it's going to be long here and you get stopped out, just go long again. And develop this mentality of doing things based on what you're thinking, not based on what you're feeling, yeah? Yeah, so again, I'm not paying attention, but maybe could have had a better entry here. Yeah, you see? Yeah, this is my own fault, so I'm looking at other things. Let's try again. Nah, it's too much. Yeah, so don't do this, guys. This is stupid, you know. Yeah, so this is the risk, you know, of and it comes here now, but this is not part of how I trade. I'm not just gonna let it run and hope. Yeah, I did something stupid, and thankfully it went up, you know. Could have also gone to my stop loss. Yeah, but again, I just want to show this stuff to you, you know. It's not necessarily me being profitable, because my core teaching is me explaining to you you're gonna do one trade a day, only one trade a day, not doing this what I'm doing here. But I just want to show you what is possible. Also see the difference between what we are doing and others are doing. Most of these gurus who are live trading, and you guys, you sit with them behind the charts and they live trade for 3 hours, and they talk for 3 hours, and they maybe do one trade or two trade, and then they say, okay guys, one break even, one win or one loss, and you guys are wasting your time. In if you're watching for 3 hours at the charts and you're not doing at least 5 trades, with all the respect, you're not understanding what trading is about. Well, let's do this and try to aim for our target. So I believe it's gonna like leave this area now, you know. And equity is gonna go open in a few minutes. In 60 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna quit. Oh, also getting a bit tired. Join the Discord, and if you have any questions, let us know. If you're new, if you're maybe becoming ex-ICT or ex-smart money, or maybe you've been trading for years and you still don't understand it, please join the Discord. We don't know everything, but we know a few things, and maybe these things are going to help you. Have a good day.